And if we look at the key metrics, we can clearly see the sound familiar. We've all been there. You rehearse, you prepare, and then the nerves kick in and you just lose it. What if AI could help you during the presentation itself? I'm excited to introduce Squared. From first rehearsal to final stage.
Squared helps you improve your presentation skills across every session. Let's get started. This is the main dashboard for my project. Each slide gets a risk label, safe, watch, or fragile, so I can instantly see where I need to focus. Some of these slides still need work. Let's jump into a rehearsal. Here's a live preview. On the right sidebar, during this session, you can monitor and receive real-time feedback from the agent, as well as insights based on your previous rehearsals. Let's begin. Okay, let's start with a slide about Rehearsal Mode. Rehearsal Mode is an interactive AI voice coach. It helps you improve your presentation and receive real-time feedback during your rehearsal. It also tracks 5 live metrics: eye contact, pace, posture, filler words, and confidence, all updated in real time. But the most powerful feature is pattern memory. Squared uses Gemini embeddings and vector similarity search to remember what worked, what didn't, and where you struggled, building a semantic memory across every rehearsal.
That was a very fast pace, and you lost eye contact several times. This has been a recurring issue for this slide. Try to slow down and remember the key phrase: rehearsal mode is interactive AI voice coach.
I want to emphasize pattern memory. How could I do this?
That's a great goal. To emphasize pattern memory, remember to slow down, as this has been a fragile slide in past rehearsals. State it clearly. Squared remembers what works and what doesn't across multiple rehearsals. Maintain strong eye contact and posture to project confidence.
Thank you. That was an example of a rehearsal, but it's not even the main event. After each rehearsal, Squared prepares a detailed report. You can use this report to understand what needs to improve. It tracks your confidence, eye contact, posture, and the main risk areas. You can even compare your performance against previous sessions, which makes every rehearsal count. But the real game changer is presentation mode. Even if you spend a lot of time preparing, it's something completely different when you actually present. Presentation mode, just imagine you have a silent AI assistant that helps you during your live presentation with real-time tips. You can still track your metrics, but you'll never be interrupted. Let me show you how it works. Here, Squared has prepared what we call a game plan for this presentation. We know which slides need extra support based on our rehearsals. The same goes for a few other slides. And there's also the Q&A shield. Based on your rehearsals and presentation content, Squared anticipates difficult questions and can even help you answer them in real time. Let's start the presentation. In presentation mode, we also have a feature called Audience Agent. It's a separate agent that tracks the audience because it's almost impossible to monitor your audience during a live presentation. Even if you have multiple monitors, when you're deep in it, you simply can't tell whether your audience is engaged or bored. As you can see in the overlay, we now have a new indicator, the audience indicator. Let's return to the presentation. I'll stay silent for a moment and see what happens. And here we have a live tip from presentation mode generated from the current context, audience engagement, and my performance. What is pattern memory?
Squared transforms how we prepare for presentations and how we work with AI. Once you try it, you won't go back.